Hi, I'm Holly. I found out about Starting Strength through my friend Claudia. We both live in the area and we saw the sign outside and it intrigued us, Starting Strength. So I went to the website and learned more about the program, and I love the fact that you get personalized coaching, but in a small group environment. Well, I've been weightlifting for only about 5 years now at another local gym, and in a group setting. It was a mixture of weight training, strength training, and conditioning. But for me, I really wanted to focus on strength training. So I found that this particular program was just right for me because I wanted to get stronger. I wanted to focus on the core movements. I also do a lot of conditioning. I am a tap dancer and I'm a swimmer, so that's where I get my conditioning. But I know at this gym I can really focus on getting stronger. So I started with the bar at 45 pounds, and now I'm up to 105 pounds for my back squat in about 5 months. So I'm really excited about that. And with the deadlift, I started at 65 pounds, and now I'm up to 155. I love to see the logbook and see the progress, kind of the graph go up and up and up over time. That's fabulous. I think that I'm a lot more tone and fit. I feel my core has gotten stronger. Yeah, I feel really good after I work out. It also helps me sleep. I think I'm just tired, and I sleep well on the nights that I work out here. I love the fact that we get individualized attention. So I'm really impressed with the coaches. I think they are really well trained, and not just kind of the physical lifts, but understanding how the body works and how everything is all connected. Offer specific guidance to the individual, and every individual is different and every individual progresses at a different pace. So I think that they're always thinking about how I could take that person to the next level and get them stronger. The coaches are critiquing us on our form as well as encouraging us. You don't get that in a regular gym, and you don't get that in a lot of other group weightlifting classes. So I really like the individualized attention, but in a small group setting. So I like that combination. They're all different ages here, and women and men, and some younger people and some older people. So I like the fact that this program can work for all different ages. And I wouldn't hesitate anyone if they're over 50 to try it, and any females to try it, not be intimidated by it, because I think with the coaching and the attention to your body and the right technique and the right form, I think anyone can benefit from this type of program.
And you can bring a friend, of course.
Right, yeah, and it's fun to have a workout buddy and encourage each other all the time, so that's been great. And all the folks here are really friendly and very supportive of each other, and are clapping when someone gets their PR, right? So it's fun. I would just encourage people to try it. Go to an open house or try a few classes and see how different it is than other gyms. Like I said, getting the personalized attention from the coaches really makes a difference. So I would encourage everyone to give it a try.